In this video, I explain what eating disorders are and how to recognize them. You will learn which signs to look out for and why it is important to seek help early. Eating disorders are serious mental illnesses that involve disrupted eating behaviors. They can affect both physical well-being and mental health. Affected individuals often have a distorted relationship with food and their bodies. There are different types of eating disorders, such as anorexia, bulimia, and binge eating disorder. Anorexia often manifests through extremely low body weight and an intense desire to lose weight. Those affected have a distorted perception of their bodies and feel overweight despite being underweight. They often avoid social events where they would have to eat. Frequent weight checks and excessive calorie counting are also typical signs. In bulimia, affected individuals experience recurring binge episodes where they consume large quantities of food. Afterwards, they attempt to compensate by vomiting or excessive exercise. Bulimia can lead to significant fluctuations in body weight. Sufferers often feel a great deal of shame and try to hide their behavior. In binge eating disorder, individuals experience recurring binge episodes where they consume large amounts of food without control. In contrast to bulimia, there is no purging, such as through vomiting. After these episodes, sufferers often feel guilty or ashamed. This disorder can lead to long-term obesity and other health issues. Eating disorders have not only physical but also strong psychological effects. They can be accompanied by anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Often, affected individuals believe they are only valuable if they meet certain body standards. The psychological strain frequently worsens the disordered eating behavior. Eating disorders can have severe physical consequences. In anorexia, this can include extreme weight loss, muscle wasting, and organ failure. Bulimia can damage the heart and teeth, while binge eating disorder is associated with obesity and metabolic problems. All forms of eating disorders can pose serious long-term health risks. Early detection of eating disorders is crucial for successful treatment. If the illness is recognized early, severe physical and psychological harm can be avoided. It's important to pay attention to the first signs and not be afraid to seek help. The earlier help is received, the better the chances of recovery. If you or someone you know shows signs of an eating disorder, it is important to seek help in a timely manner. There are various contact points such as psychotherapists, counseling centers, or doctors. It is often helpful to confide in a supportive group or circle of friends. Help and support are the first steps toward healing. Family members and friends play an important role in supporting those affected. They can help recognize the signs and encourage the person to seek help. Understanding and patience are important, as eating disorders are complex mental illnesses. Loving support can positively influence the healing process.